What's up, Orangetheory? Coach Mike here on part 3 of 3. Our next video is going to be about the monitor, what you're looking at, where everything's located, and if you need to change something in terms of the units of intensity, or possibly even making a countdown of some sort for time or for distance as well. So that's what we're going to take a look at right now.
Okay, so here you have the water rower monitor. Couple of key buttons that we want to look at. You have the on button over here on the left side. You have the units button over here on the right side. OK button in the middle with up and down arrows. And then these two buttons at the bottom. You have the stored programs on the left, workout programs on the right. So let's turn the monitor on. We have a bunch of flashing zeros now. Over in this top right corner is always going to be our unit of intensity. Whether we're using wattage, which is what it's set at right now, 500 meter split time, which we use for typically 500 meter rows or 2,000 meter rows, and miles per hour, which we probably use the least amount of time. Underneath your intensity will be your distance in meters. Always distance in meters right here. Over here in this corner, bottom left, is going to be your timer. And then above that in the top left corner is going to be your stroke rate, how many times you're going back and forth in a minute. So with that being said, up here in this corner, the intensity, watts, is what it is set at right now with 3 zeros next to each other. We're going to change the units by pressing that button over on the right side. We're going to go up 2 arrows and press OK. Now we're set up for 500 meters split time. So you have a 0, a colon, and then 2 more zeros right there. To change to miles per hour, we're going to press units again, go up 1 spot to miles per hour, press OK, and now we're set there with 2 zeros, a decimal, and then another 0 right there. Only difference with miles per hour is shifts to miles instead of meters. So in order to change that, you have to hit the unit button 3 times and then go up to meters, press OK. Now from there, we're going to change back to watts. Okay, I'm going to reset everything so we're flashing again. Now another neat thing about this is we can set a certain workout program. Over here in the bottom right corner, if we press workout programs, we can set a countdown. So in this instance, we're going to set up for a 200 meter countdown since that's one of our benchmark rows. We'll press OK. Now it's set up for 200 meters. As soon as we hit 0 in this corner, it'll give us an exact time on how long it took us to get there. I'm going to reset. And now that 200 meter countdown is stored over here. If I press it 1 time, it's the last program stored, 200 meters, ready to go again with that 200 meter countdown. So I clear that out. I want to do a countdown for time. So I'm going to hit workout programs 2 times. Now I'm set over here in the timer. We're going to go to a 1 minute countdown, which is set at now. Press OK. If I go for a minute, it'll give me whatever my distance is during that time frame. All right, so we're going to clear that out again. If I go to stored programs, hit that button. The last thing I entered was a 1 minute countdown. If I hit it again, it'll go to that 200 meter countdown right there. So we're going to use that for our 200 meter countdown, 500 meter, as well as our 2,000 meter row as well. Over here, we'll probably use that for a 4 minute countdown that we do for go row and whatever else we need to do that as well. So that's how you read the monitor, you guys. You're always going to have your intensity here, your distance in meters down here, your timer over here, and then your stroke rate up in that top left corner there.